everyone, welcome back to my channel and if you're a new subscriber here, welcome to my channel. My name is Anjali. Thank you so much for watching my video. First of all, I would really appreciate and I really want to thank each and everyone who have subscribed and who have loved my previous video which I did with my family. If you haven't already seen that, I will have it on the I button on the screen, so you can go and check it out after you see this video. So today I am doing a video with my brother as you liked him in the last video. So today I am doing a sibling tag. If you're not familiar with it, it's basically a tag where there are a couple of questions that we have to answer, something about him, something about me or each other or something like that. There are like around 20 to 29 questions, but we won't be answering all of them. Let's see how it goes. Do you want to introduce yourself? Okay, so I'll just tell a short brief about him. His name is Samad Kiralia. He's
I'm an engineer plus an MBA, so basic template 10 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2.
Yeah, so he's all
Yeah.
right. And he's a smarter kid in the family. Academic wise.
Academy.
Yeah. So we'll quickly start with the video because I feel the video is going to be very long. So I have all the questions over here. So the first question is, who's the youngest or the oldest among all of you? So he's the oldest. He's,
Older, 4 years.
Yeah. So he's 4 years older
years.
to me. I am the youngest.
Yeah.
What do you like about each other? You go first.
She gets shit done. I'll keep on thinking, she thinks, she does it, and it's there.
And about him, if he wants to do something, he'll think about it in a practical way. But there are sometimes, where you think and you just do it. But you don't see her and then you just do it. But he thinks it more practically and then he gets that done. Which is more.
I'm the thinker, she's the doer.
Things like that. What do you hate about each other?
Apart from you stealing from my wallet,
I
you underestimate yourself. And you don't listen to me.
That's true. And about him, he sometimes he's very, very annoying. What he does, if you're sitting on a couch or your bed quietly and you're doing nothing to him, he'll just come and he'll start irritating you, which is a very annoying thing and which is something that I hate. Otherwise, he's a very good person. What do you have in common?
Parents.
Apart from parents.
Love for dogs.
Yeah, we love dogs.
We like to stay healthy
Yeah.
and we want things from it.
You must have seen like in my previous videos that I started my fitness journey and all that things. So he was the one who motivated me because even he was chubby and then he got into this transformation sort of a thing. So yeah. What is your funniest memory together with each other?
The previous video.
Yeah.
And most of the videos we do.
So
most of it is not online.
Yeah, because then there are like certain like chota moments that we have with each other, but there's not something like major.
Like we
We
have
find
to start
happiness
up.
in small things.
Apparently not.
What do you do for fun? So basically, this is a quarantine period, so everyone's home. But then mostly he's not at home. He leaves early and then he comes home late because of his office and all that. So we don't spend time with each other more.
We watch shows, or I'll pick her on the show she watches.
So mostly it's show
time
and
pass.
everything. So we don't get time with each other that much.
Yeah.
Something like that. Who's in love? Not
With
me.
other people in general, or not,
Relation types.
not
Nobody.
anymore.
So he's single. Right? Describe each sibling in 3 words. Can I go first? So he's caring.
Sorry.
So he's very caring. He's very patient with things. Like if there is something that will annoy him, but he'll be very patient and he won't react to things easily. And thirdly, he's a good brother. About me, you don't have to think that much.
Very giving. The better cook.
Yeah, I am.
And there are some people who keep things together, so she's the glue.
The glue to the family.
Yeah, speech.
What's your nickname family? Nickname in your family. What do you
Gopal.
Actually his name is Samar, but we call him Gopal.
And there is a funny story, like if you just ask in the comments if you are really
Yeah.
interested in knowing that story. See, I'm learning.
Ask me the name. And my pet name is Anji. Like we have this pet name since our childhood.
Basically, her name Anjani was too difficult for me to pronounce when we were younger, so it became Anji because I couldn't say it well. Then
So
that
now
is how-
everybody calls me Anji
Anji.
because of the guy sitting next to me.
Yes.
Whose room is the messiest?
Hers.
So basically we share rooms, and when he's not around, I basically do the mess.
You do the mess.
I do the mess. He's more
But
like
when
a...
we were not sharing the room, yours was
Mine was-
messier. because
no.
I didn't have stuff. Because I was practically never home, no.
He's never home, to be honest, and I'm 27, 24 by 7. घर पे होंगे. इसके लिए I'm the messiest. What's your favorite game to play? Again, we don't.
I don't play games. I don't.
Does indoor game count?
I don't know.
See, I play PUBG.
I don't play games.
He doesn't play games. He's more like of a show, Netflix,
I really
podcast
really
type of
like-
a person, and I'm not that kind of a person. He reads he reads books when he's
For fun.
bored. So he does all that stuff. I play PUBG, Ludo, all that bakwas games.
So people,
All the bakwas games
now
that
you all
you can
know who's the
imagine.
nerd in the family.
What's your favorite food or a drink?
Food, pani puri, drink. Now it is scotch, but I love beer also.
Okay.
But that is alcoholic. Otherwise, black coffee.
He's a tea lover. He can have
And
6 to 7 cups of tea every
Yeah,
single
tea.
day.
So basically, tea coffee is like petrol diesel for us. What
He has coffee in the night. 2-3 baje he'll have coffee, and I don't know what he does. My favorite food. Right now I'm trying to be healthy, so I'll say mostly chila, if you know, or rava idli or something related to rava. Or drinks mein, I love green tea. I love black coffee.
alcoholic?
And alcohol wise, I used to be honest, I used to have whiskey and vodka.
Blind test, right?
No.
Do that day.
No. Okay, let's not talk about it. Okay.
You won't remember it anyway.
I remember it.
Okay.
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 And then alcoholic wise, I mostly prefer wine, because I'm a wine person.
Well, that's my stash, basically. The one you finish off.
No.
Ah.
What does your sibling think about the most? What does your sibling think about the most? Yeah. As in,
Yo.
generally, what do you think about the most? What is that one thing that is in your head that you keep on thinking 24/7?
About life in general.
Okay.
As in,
Is it your
I'm-
career? Is it
I'm very
your
spiritual
family?
that way, so I look at life in totality. So I think about different aspects of life and what I need to focus on right now and what I need to focus next to get where I want to be. So in general, I think a lot about life. What about you, boys?
No, not boys. I am a person who wants things. If I now taking YouTube as an example, I have been doing YouTube for a very long time, and I still haven't, crossed my what do you say?
Target.
Target. So I keep on thinking will I be able to do it? Will I be able to do it or no? So if you follow me on my Instagram also, this quarantine or the lockdown period, I've started doing some things on Instagram and trying to make my feed.
Get me more on your channel and you'll do it.
Should we do podcast more? Leave me in the comment section down below if you want some podcast about life and all that
In
stuff.
general, Gyan.
Gyan from him,
Gyan.
especially. He's a
Babaji.
great person when it
And
comes to Gyan and everything.
I spit off Gyan as fast as a minute.
He's the Baba in our
Babaji, that's
house. Yeah. Which sibling reads more? He's the reader, not me.
Ah.
I prefer, like if there is a book but उसकी movie भी है, तो I prefer seeing a 2-hour movie rather than reading a book which will take me.
I also
20 to
watch the
30
movie.
days.
See, the point of reading is getting that content. Now, if there is a better way of actually at the end of the day getting that content, I'll choose that. That is why it will be a book or a podcast or a movie. Very intentional about what I do, right?
Who is the most talented amongst all of you? We both are talented, but in a very different perspective. I am more into like cooking and makeup and all that stuff, and when it comes to like academics, like reading or talking to people, and
Dancing, I am the better dancer, I am the better athlete, I am academically better, I have more capacity in terms of drinking, I roll a better joint.
Okay, moving on. What is your sibling really good at? We answered earlier, I guess. He's good at reading and all that.
I'm not the nerd. This is just something
And what are you bad
I am bad at getting shit done.
at?
I am
He'll
very
take-
bad at getting shit
He'll take
I-
he'll take a lot of time doing whatever, but then
No,
when he does it the best. ऐसा है.
done.
I'm getting something. Who's the most? Which is the biggest thing that you like about each other? Like apart from everything.
Yeah,
else,
same
the-
some questions.
I don't know.
The same
That's
only.
the question.
Well, answer you the same.
Okay, who's the closest to the parents? Not me. Like, see, अगर we have like every family have issues, right? So थोड़ा when we have major, he's the one who does it, and normally we. both-
I am the one who calls the shots, so I'll be the.
he's
I am the disciplinarian of the family. Like I
हाँ,
am the strict parent of my parents.
हाँ, he's the.
You're the better child. You're the
He
better
thinks I'm the better child. Who's more hot?
child. Link. you should run a poll.
I don't know. You what guy?
I
What do
have
you
3
think?
eyes. I have dimples.
I have makeup skills, so I can make myself look better.
That is a very inappropriate question to ask a sibling.
It's
It-
given though.
unless it is
I
Alabama
can't.
in the
See,
US.
you guys decide like who's more better looking. See, you have to see
No
my
better
videos.
Katie Thays. It's comparative.
See, this,
Next.
what's the weirdest habit about your sibling? Weirdest.
Habit. Mine.
Mine. You have to
Yours.
answer for me. I'll answer for you. Weirdest habit about your sibling.
I don't know what do you do in the night and morning and why do you sleep so much?
See, I love sleeping. If I don't get proper sleep, I'll be irritated for the entire day. And weird thing about him.
Weird habit or weird thing?
Habit.
Ah.
Weird habit about him.
Meditation? No, that's not
No,
weird.
that's not weird.
That's good.
Habit, I don't know.
I
haven't,
pick my nails sometimes.
What he
No.
He keep on chewing his nails. This तो ठीक है.
That was when I was a kid. No.
Okay, forget it. I don't want to get beaten. Who's the sensitive one?
No.
Yeah, me. I cry a lot. Chota baat pe I get sensitive. Not only, basically for everything. I get
I have
sensitive.
no steel.
Describe the last thing you did with your sibling.
The last video.
The last video that we
Last
did.
video.
Complete the statement. My sibling is what, according to you?
Second most important person to me in the world.
Okay, and
That's
that's it? Okay, so my sibling for me, even if he doesn't show that he cares, but when you need him, he's there for anything.
And I know where you are.
For anything, like when it comes to friends or whatever XYZ it is. If you need his
Relationship,
help,
it's wise.
if you need his help, he'll be there. And yeah, that's.
For me, my sibling is someone I look up to in a lot of things.
That's true. Yeah, so that's everything about him.
टिश्यू पेपर जो है
And that's everything about me. So that was the sibling tag, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you want to see more videos with him or my parents or anything like that, do leave in the comment section what type of videos you want to see. And thank you once again for watching
And
this
you know
video.
what will be an interesting thing if you all want to do it with your siblings as well. Like I didn't know so
Yeah.
many things
So it's
about
the
her.
lockdown period. So I
Yeah.
guess this is the right time if you are not that close to your family because of your work or whatever XYZ it is. Take this opportunity and do it with your family. And to be honest, the last video that I did, I never expected that I'll do it with my family. Hope you guys enjoy this video. If you did, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel. The links about our Instagram and everything will be in the description box below. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.